This video is very important for Indian people as there are a lot of things happening in world. Geopolitics is going crazy, even it is more thrilling than T20 World Cup. I'm able to see a lot of videos commenting or making videos about Iran. People are crying in India for Iranian Supreme Leader. They are doing protest in India. Whereas if you go in Iran, they are happy. They are making videos on the social media that please don't fucking interrupt us. We are happy, let us happy. Why the heck we are being invading in their privacy?
Only some few Indians and Pakistanis that they lost their sugar daddy.
I do understand your perspective is religion. Okay, ठीक है? Where that religion was when Pakistan was attacking India. If you don't know, Iran and Palestine are the country who actually back Pakistan while attacking on India. Despite they being doing this, there are also Muslims in India. If they don't care about you, why the heck you are caring about them? It was never about religion. When Israeli soldiers are attacking on Iranian soldiers, Jewish soldiers are not killing Muslim soldiers. Israeli soldiers are killing Iranian soldiers. It's pretty simple as that. And if you think about religion, why the heck Afghanistan and Pakistan are fighting even though they belong to same religion? I'm not saying ki praise Israel and America. I'm just saying one fucking thing. Be quiet. Because when you make any kind of social media content, you comment, you make tweet, it goes on their social media and it gives a very negative impact of India as you are representing India, even though there are people who are not. People are creating fake accounts and saying bad about Israel and America just for them getting hate from Indian people. You understand, this goes as a propaganda. If you are able to see, Indian government has not commented any kind of thing on this. As we are a diplomatic country, we are neutral in this perspective. As it is not affecting our country, it is good. I don't know why the heck you are not able to understand this. Please don't follow any kind of person on the basis of religion. I do respect every religion and I understand what exactly you are being feeling. I also felt the same when Bangladeshi Hindus were killed. But we have to believe on diplomacy. As your protests are not going to matter for that country. Do you legit think that Israeli people won't attack on Palestine because you are supporting? Because there are persons in India who are supporting them. So please don't give a bad reputation of India on a social media. Thank you.